Hey guys, Ben with KCT here, back with another video for you guys. Real quick, we're going to show you the difference between installing a Ranger plate on a PMAG versus a GI mag. So check out our sponsors. They're going to be all listed in the bottom below. I don't have time to go through them all, but they're all freaking awesome, and we have discount codes for everything that you need to buy. So screw the supply chain. Holidays are coming up. Buy stuff, save money. All right, anyways, here you go. So first, we're going to take a look at the Mighty PMAG. It's pretty simple, really. It's not too hard to actually do. So the reason I do this is that somebody had actually asked recently, like they'd seen these and wondered how the actual Ranger plate attaches to the bottom and if it was some sort of sorcery. Well, kind of is, but we'll get there. So first of all, with your Magpul PMAG, go ahead and remove the bottom plate. And to do that, you should probably use a small tool. If you're watching this channel, you probably have one closer to hand than you think. There we go. Now, floor plate comes popping off. Awesome. Cool, right? Not much else we need to do except pop that back on. Push that back in. Take our snazzy Ranger plate. Done. Okay, so it locks in there with that little tab there. And all the new shooters are getting into the AR-15 market, especially with everything that's going on politically and in America. So a lot of people that you'd think would know about this, they don't really know about it. So they're just kind of wondering how that works. All right, so enough talking about that. Let's do the next one here. And this is your standard USGI mag. As you can see, it's got a BCM. There you go. Floor plate there, but, you know, hit it over there. And go ahead and pull this out. This is actually from another video. They're full lock. Cool. All right, so take that small tool that you have close to hand, put it in the bottom little drain hole here, and pry up. And you'll see that start to open like a can of Spam back there. And you want to just go ahead and push that out. Now you'll see there's like little teeth on there. If we can focus there. There you go. And those are kind of what keep it in. Wow, I can't win this camera today. There you go. And so you can actually just bend this right back with your hand. There you go. And then if you want to reinstall it, it's nice and flat, ready to go, just like your girlfriend. Okay, so now we have this out here, and how do we put this together? Well, there's two pieces to the GI one, and that's, I think, what trips people up. So the first thing I'm going to do is install this. Now, this functions exactly the same as the Magpul PMAG floor plate, and it has that locking tab that's going to go ahead and get us the locking mechanism for this thing. Now, the GI mags, as you can see, they don't have that little like floor plate latch like the other magazines do. So there is talk of you losing a couple rounds when you switch to the GI mags, or switch to the Ranger plates on GI mags. We'll have a video about that coming up soon. So go ahead and pop it in there. You'll kind of want to hop around a little bit, but just keep fighting. Okay, so yeah, we have that in there, the base plate. So what we're going to do is plop that on there. See those little silver pieces? Those lock into these tabs here, but you don't want to go back to front as I originally suggested, because that's too easy. What you want to do is kind of go right in the middle and slide that over. I see how it catches on those teeth there. And then you're good to go. And so that lock plate will actually just engage just like you would normally. Actually get to it with that small tool you got right there. And you just pop that right off.